Good morning, my reseller friends. Get your energy drink of choice and let's start this video. We're going to spend the day together and I will show you my inventory system, give you a tour of my workspace. We're going to go shopping for supplies so you will see firsthand the tools and tricks I use to prep my inventory for reselling, amazing products for cleaning, and also a first-time tie-dye project and the perfect solution on what to do with your stale inventory. So stay with me on this one and let's do this. I have to restock my cleaning supplies, so let's go shopping first. Walmart is inexpensive and offers everything in one place, so I'm going to show you what exactly I'm using. Because I use a lot of stain remover, I'm using OxyClean and I buy the refill bottle. I heard a lot of good things about Carbona Color Run Remover. In fact, I believe I used it once. I need it for a hoodie that has a few color spots, so let's see. They also have other stain removers for different purposes. Tide to Go pens or wipe and go spot removers are excellent to take with you when thrifting. I highly recommend the lint roller for pet hair. They are much stickier than the regular ones, and also you have this pet hair remover roller. It is a bit pricey, but if you are a reseller and have pets, this is really useful. Another one of my cleaning favorites is the pink stuff. I mostly use the paste because it cleans the soles of the shoes really well and even removes Sharpies from the bottom sole. This is really a miracle cleaner, and I'm gonna link a video here on the screen so you can see what it can do. You can also get the magic eraser sponges. They clean shoes very well. Okay, let me give you the tour. You're now looking at my bathroom, and this is my photographing spot because the light from the window hits it directly. I have my steamer within reach as well. When I take pictures of my items to list on Poshmark, a lot of light goes a long way, so in addition, I also turn the lights on. I use 2 wooden hangers for the photos and I do flat lace for the measurements. And now let's move to my laundry/shipping room. I am lucky enough to have a great washer and dryer. I use this room to package my sales. I keep my shipping and cleaning supplies. Everybody's space is different, but you can find a little corner in your house to keep your supplies organized. Under the sink is where I keep my OxyClean stain removers, a Lysol sanitizing spray, rubbing alcohol, bleach, vinegar, and old towels I can use to clean shoes. In the top closet, I have smaller jars for immediate use, disposable gloves, spot removers, Doc Martens leather balsam. This is Secure Stitch, which is a great liquid sewing solution, kind of like a fabric glue that mends, hems without using needle and thread. Everybody should have one of these color run removers in their cleaning kit. It really works wonders. I find a lot of color run accidents on exceptional clothing pieces. I will use it in a minute and show you. The pink stuff is a semi-abrasive creamy cleaning paste that cleans rubber and shoe soles with a 98% success rate, so I highly recommend that. I used to order it on Amazon and I will drop some links below if you want to try it. The same goes for Dr. Martens Wonder Balsam. It really makes leather look like new. But I first condition with Big 4, especially the bags. If all else fails, Angelus spot remover, but this is concentrated, so use it only outside. Put a mask and gloves on. Water and stain shield for shoes works great on canvas shoes. Goo Gone is another amazing product for removing price tags and glue from the price tags from soles or home decor or dishes. Believe it or not, this is a pet hairbrush which I use to revive fake fur. The lint roller for pets is fail-proof. I don't have pets, but these are great little tools to have. Odor eliminator for sports shoes. Although I do not pick up anything that has an odor, and I always sanitize the shoes on the interior with Lysol alcohol spray. Some super glue and Gorilla Glue. Eraser for the suede shoes. It's very good to remove stains and scuffs from the suede, and it came with a suede brush, a nail file, and more towels that I use for cleaning. This plastic dish pan is great for cleaning shoes or soaking or hand washing any pieces of clothing. It's very practical, and I think I got this from the dollar store. I use this small brush to gently clean the shoes' bottom soles. I'm in the same room. I'm gonna turn around, and here is where I keep my packing and shipping supplies. Different sizes, resealable cellophane bags, protective bags for purses, boxes for jewelry I create and sell. I'm very crafty. If you didn't know that about me, I create a lot of jewelry that you can find in my Poshmark closet for sale. I'm buying most of these supplies from Temu because they have very inexpensive stuff. These are free USPS Tyvek envelopes. I use tissue paper for large bundles and expensive items. This I found on Amazon. It's a great deal. I'm gonna link it down below. As well as plastic mailers that I use for eBay sales and larger items. These are bubble mailers that I get for free from USPS. I order socks from Temu. They are very inexpensive and really adorable as a gift for purchases that are over $25. And also these are lavender satchels, also from Temu. These clear sticker sleeves protect the shipping label and safe packaging tape, also free from USPS. I got these thank you stickers from Amazon. They're really great quality and I have a few colors. They're never ending. I think it's 500 per roll. And I just received one of my supply boxes. It's 50 pieces bubble mailers and I'm going to use this box to ship some stale inventory to ThreadUp. You can find the link down below to get your free USPS shipping supplies. In the drawer above, I keep small items like packing tape for boxes, scissors, measuring tape, some jewelry stickers, and small bags. I like to recycle as much as I can, so here are a few boxes waiting to be used. I keep my inventory in a corner of my garage in clear plastic bins, the shoes underneath, and also I have a sturdy metal shelf. The bins I got from IKEA and part from Walmart. They have wheels and they can be rolled around for easy access. Like I said, I like to recycle. Here is the plastic we get from different orders and boxes from online shopping. My inventory system is very simple. Everything you see on this rack is tops on the upper shelves and leggings and men's pants on the bottom shelf. I have a good visual memory and since I prepare everything myself, I know where everything is. All the bins are numbered and because it can get overwhelming when you do not have space, I try to stay within 1,000 active listings. So my bins are never overflowing. They're pretty much separated by groups: dresses, pants, shoes, bags, jeans, and when I go thrifting, I take a look at what bin needs to be filled. More free boxes and donation corner. And now let me show you how to ship quickly without using any packing tape. I sold 2 small tops this morning and I'm using the bubble mailers and the clear envelopes. I hate wasting paper and as soon as the ink in this old printer that I use is done, I'm just gonna order a thermal printer. Anyways, I love these clear sleeves because they protect the label and they stick to the package. So like I said, you don't need packaging tape. And voila, it's very simple. No packaging tape used. Okay, let's put the color run remover to the test. Here's the hoodie. It's badly stained. I think it's a color run. I'm not 100% sure. I usually don't pick up this kind of stuff that's stained, but this is a Lululemon hoodie. I've had some success in the past with this color run remover, so I just thought to give it a try. Here is how it looks. It has to be mixed in hot water, as hot as the garment allows. Just make sure it's not dry cleaning or just wash in a cold water. Otherwise, you run into a different problem. So I mixed it up in hot water. I put the hoodie in, just soak it really well. You're supposed to leave it in there for 2 minutes, but it's not happening. So I washed it with more stain remover, a lot of soap, and unfortunately, I think the spots are very old. So we're gonna try one of these. If all else fails, I'm just gonna keep this piece because the quality is exceptional. It's my first time tie-dyeing anything, so I just went to YouTube and researched it a little bit. I decided to go with the ice tie-dye, and this is the crumpling technique. Basically, you crumple the garment, put it together with elastics that are provided in your tie-dyeing kit. And a word of advice, if you do this, put on gloves put on a mask and try to do it outside. So there's not really a rule. You just crumple the top and secure it with elastics to look like this. Again, make sure you work with gloves and a lot of plastic so you don't make a mess around you. You can do your own research on tie-dye techniques, but I thought this is the quickest way and I really like the look of it. So with this technique, you don't put any water in the tie-dye to mix it up and create a liquid. You just put the dust all over the garment like that and just mix it up a little bit. Then you put a lot of ice and let it melt outside or in the sun. The water will mix with the tie-dye as the ice melts, creating a beautiful design. And like I said, I forgot to put my gloves on and now I have to scrub my hands really thoroughly. Also, make sure to not touch anything while you do this. I got rid of all the ice and I sanitized and cleaned the bin before putting it back in the fridge. Like I said, this is my first time tie-dyeing anything and I'm using way too much pigment. A little bit of this goes a long way and I only should have used a quarter of the quantity. I also sealed the plastic bottles in a bag and I will put that in the recycle bin. I'm gonna put my little experiment outside in the sun for the ice to melt quicker and I cannot wait to see how this turns out. Let's check the progress. This is how it looks like so far. The ice did not melt completely, but the results look good. I'm not a very patient person, so I'm just gonna turn this around and see what's going on underneath. Ooh. It's darker underneath. Wow. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm scared to put this in the washing machine. All right, so now we have to let it dry overnight for 6 to 8 hours, it says in the tutorial. It's pretty soaking wet, so now I see the importance of using a grid. I'm afraid not to mess up anything. So I think I'm gonna wash this by hand. The color will probably lose a little bit of intensity once I wash this. I think I'm happy with how this turned out. And here is a great tip on how to sell stale inventory. I have this top for a long time and recently I thrifted a pair of joggers that match the top, so I will sell it as a set. Same with this Victoria's Secret seamless leggings. I make outfits or sets and they sell faster. Phew, this was a long video, but it was a glimpse of my personal experience on running my home-based part-time Poshmark business that I wanted to share with you all. Even if I make mistakes, I try to be as transparent as possible in my videos and I try to give you the best advice based on my experiences. So please take everything with a grain of salt and do your own research. If you have any tips or tricks, please do share in the comment box below. And if you are following me, you know that if you have any questions, I will answer within 24 hours. So let's build up this great reseller community and help each other as much as we can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got at least one useful tip from this video, and it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.